Guys, legit tong quiz na to. Simple, mabilis, and based on the Holland Code or RIASEC Career Framework. Nagamit to ng mga guidance counselors at career coaches para malaman kung anong klaseng trabaho ang bagay sa'yo. Guys, don't worry, hindi ito graded, walang tama or mali. Sagutin mo lang honestly. So, meron akong 5 multiple choice questions. Tapos, i-note mo ang sagot mo sa bawat tanong sa notes app or sa papel. And by the way, pwede actually like dalawa, tatlo sagot mo. For example, sa question number 1 is either A or B or either A, C, D. So, pwede mo i-note yon. Then, by the end ng video, sasabihin ko yung mga career options na bagay sa'yo based sa sagot mo. Both freelance to guys at regular jobs. So, question number 1, anong task ang ini-enjoy mo? By the way, if wala pa kayong work, walang work experience in general, is pwede naman yung sa school, sa bahay nyo, yung ano yung mga ini-enjoy nyo. So, A, solving problems or fixing things. B, leading people or presenting ideas. C, organizing, listing, or planning. D, helping people or teaching. E, drawing, creating, or writing. E, doing hands-on work or outdoor work. So yun siya guys, check ko lang dito at i-note nyo yung mga sagot nyo. So question number 2, kung pwede kang mag-work kahit saan gusto mo? A, in a lab or solving puzzles alone. B, on stage or in meetings. C, in a quiet room with a checklist. D, in a community or a school. E, in a studio or editing room. F, outdoors or on-site. So again, pili lang muna kayo. Note nyo. So question number 3, anong value ang pinaka-importante sa'yo sa work? A, logic and knowledge. B, influence and leadership. C, stability and structure. D, purpose and connection. E, expression and originality. F, action and results. Pili lang. So question number 4, anong ideal freelance gig mo? So A, data analyst or researcher. B, sales closer or business coach. C, virtual assistant or project manager. D, online tutor or mental health VA. E, graphic designer or video editor. F, field surveyor. So pili lang. So question number 5, last question, kumusta ang energy mo sa tao? Letter A, I prefer working alone. B, I love leading groups. C, I love productive teams. D, I enjoy working with people one-on-one. E, I'm fine with both as long as it's fun. F, I like being on the move, not stuck in a desk. Again, pili, note nyo lang. So, dito na tayo sa results, guys. So, hopefully ready na yung papel nyo, yung notes nyo. So, if mostly A, you are the thinker, yung investigative type. Curious, logical, and loves solving problems. So, yung mga bagay na work sa'yo ay, for example, data analyst, SEO specialist, back-end developer, AI researcher, system specialist, medical coder. Pwede rin kayo yung sa mga lab work or yung mga academic research. So, if mostly B ang sagot nyo, kayo yung leader type. So, you love convincing people and leading projects. So, yung mga bagay na work sa'yo, sales strategist, business coach, marketing consultant, account manager, Amazon account manager. So, ito rin yung mga mahilig mag-business. So, yun, brand manager, team leader. So, yung mga ganong klaseng work ang bagay sa'yo. So, mostly C, the organizer or conventional. You thrive on structure and systems. So, bagay sa'yo yung mga admin work, so admin virtual assistant. Pwede kang project manager, pwede ka sa operations, yung mga executive assistant, mga bookkeeper, yung mga office manager or HR coordinator, bagay sa'yo. So mostly D, the helper or social. So you enjoy helping, teaching, and supporting people. So ito yung mga online tutor, yung mga client success manager. Ito actually yung mga teacher, yung mga nurse, social worker, yung sa customer service, guidance counselor. So, yun yung mga bagay na work sa'yo. So, mostly E, the creator or artistic. So, you are expressive, you hate routine, at imaginative ka. So, bagay sa'yo maging graphic designer, maging video editor, maging content writer, copywriter, yung mga branding, multimedia work, multimedia artist, animator, photographer, stylist, script writer. So, bagay yun sa'yo. So, mostly F, the doer, realistic. So, you prefer action, movement, and hands-on tasks. So, So bagay sa'yo yung mga real estate related work, on-ground logistics, site inspector, mechanic, construction worker, production assistant, delivery work. So yung ganon. So what if iba-iba yung sagot mo, walang magkaparehas? So meaning dun, nasa exploring stage ka pa lang or multi-passionate ka, which is okay, which is actually normal. So hanapin mo pa rin yung top 3 mo just to start. Pwede yung ikaw yung jack of all trades, yung freelance generalist, or mahilig ka lang talaga ng variety. Kahit ano ipagawa sa'yo, okay lang. So okay ka sa, kahit for example, ang daming jobs niyan, pwede mo yung applyan lahat. Hindi ka yung type na marang, ay ayaw ko nito. So pwede ka sa maraming jobs. At actually guys, maraming combo personalities. So for example, if yung answers mo ay A, C, and F, you're analytical, structured, and action-oriented. So ito yung mga SEO, operations, pwede ka rin sa tech, or mga data-related work. So if B, D, and E, you're a people person with a creative flair. So bagay sa'yo maging content creator, maging community manager, maging coach, branding strategist. So A, B, and D, so you love leading, problem solving, and helping others. So bagay sa'yo maging business coach, maging sales trainer, yung client onboarding specialist, or employee onboarding specialist. Pwede ka rin actually course creator. So yun siya guys, i-comment nyo down below yung mga sagot nyo. At kung wala pa kayong mga work, i-try nyo yung mga job suggestions or yung mga relevant jobs sa mga sinabi ko. If gusto nyong mag-career switch, then parang nag-aalangan kayo, tapos bagay pala sa personality nyo, try nyo. At if may work kayo ngayon, tapos relevant naman siya sa personality nyo, comment nyo down below if accurate siya. So thank you guys, hopefully nakatulong tong video na to, and see you sa next video. Bye!